think one of the things that they are not investing enough in would be wellness and fitness.
And we did get another really good question that came in for you. And it is, what is one amenity or placemaking trend that you think developers are over investing in and one that they're not investing in enough?
Mm. I get asked about trends all the
Yeah.
time, and it's a hard one to answer. I mean, I get the question about, oh, what's the hottest new amenity, and it's like, well, what's your demographic? And it's really a hard question to answer because are they over investing? I think one of the things that they are not investing enough in would be wellness and fitness. And
Okay.
for some reason, we think that that doesn't sell because a lot of times we judge by is the fitness center empty and why am I building this,
Mhm.
space where nobody goes to?
Right,
I
right.
think you have to teach people how to use space, right? You have to get them comfortable in the space. So what we do is we have a program. We work with a internal company here that helps us activate fitness spaces. So we put personal trainers. We do fitness
Oh,
one-on-one
wow.
101s, right? So tell me, like, not everybody's comfortable in a gym, right? You got to
Right.
be, you got to get comfortable. So if you know you're going to walk in and you're going to have this, person there that's smiling and can teach you how to use that, and now you want to go back, it's kind of why we go to our yoga class, right? I don't think a lot of my clients are now investing in this, but I don't think a lot
Mhm.
of people or a lot of developers are investing or builders are investing in that level of fitness, and it can be a true sales driver.